Hello everyone, how's it going? In this video we will talk about the named arguments. So in the previous video we have discussed about the default arguments and we see that we have an error here. So when we try to call a function where we do not provide the value of the first default argument, but instead we are providing the value only for the second argument. So we are getting error because the compiler will try to map the first argument, that is 25, with the first parameter, that is name right here. So as we can also see that we have a name being printed right in this function call, that it is expecting 25 to be the value of this name. So to overcome this problem, we are going to use named arguments. So while calling this function, we can specify that a particular argument is meant for a particular parameter name using the name of the parameter. While calling this function, we can specify that a particular argument is meant for a particular parameter using the name of the parameter. These types of arguments are called named arguments. So the arguments that are passed using name while calling a function are called named arguments. While calling the function, we must use the name of the formal argument to which we are passing the actual argument value. So let us now fix this error by using named arguments. So this time we will call this function with a named argument. So now I'm going to type age equals 25. So now we are using the named argument, and this age 25 is meant for this age right here. It is not meant for this named argument. So that's how we can use a named argument in a function call. So let's run the program and see the output. So our program is up and running, and here we can see my name is XYZ, and this XYZ is the default value, because we are not supplying any argument for this name right here. And I am 25 years old, and it's taking the value from this named argument that we supply in this function call. So that's how we use the named arguments in Kotlin. So one thing to note is that when we are using the named arguments, their positions can be changed. So for example, I supply the value for name is equal to max. So as we can see, I'm changing the position. So max, it will check this name and it will match with the function parameters. So it's going to substitute the value of max for this name, and it's going to substitute the value of age for this parameter right here. So when we are using the named parameters or the named arguments, the position does not matter. So let's run the program to see the output. So here we can see my name is Max and I am 25 years old. So this proves that the position of argument does not matter when using the named arguments. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we will explore some more concepts related to the functions.